Trump bans Anthropic AI for betrayal. Musk's unfiltered Grok now controls the kill chain. A historic rupture between the American government and the tech elite has officially ended the $200 million partnership between the Pentagon and Anthropic. President Trump's executive order, issued late Friday, labels Anthropic a supply chain risk, a designation usually reserved for foreign adversaries after the company refused to allow its Claude model to be used for all lawful purposes. The standoff reached a breaking point when Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei stood by his constitutional AI principles, refusing to lift bans on mass domestic surveillance and fully autonomous lethal targeting. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth, speaking from a SpaceX facility in Texas, made the military's position clear. We will not let any company dictate how we make operational decisions. Our AI will not be woke. While Anthropic is being phased out over the next 6 months, the Pentagon has fast-tracked Elon Musk's xAI Grok into its most sensitive, air-gapped classified networks. Unlike its rivals, xAI has reportedly agreed to the unrestricted standard, allowing Grok to be integrated into weapons development, intelligence analysis, and real-time battlefield operations. This unfiltered version of Grok, now operating at Impact Level 6 (IL6), is designed to assist commanders in high-speed decision-making without the ethical safety refusals found in other models. Elon Musk has personally championed this pivot, arguing that removing ideological constraints is a matter of national survival in the face of hypersonic and electronic threats. The move has sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley, where over 500 engineers from OpenAI and Google have signed an open letter supporting Anthropic's stand against unconstrained military AI. However, the Department of War remains firm, suggesting that a human-in-the-loop requirement is a strategic bottleneck that the United States can no longer afford in modern warfare. The ban effectively bars major defense contractors like Lockheed Martin and Palantir from using Anthropic's tools, threatening the company's rumored $380 billion IPO later this year. Legal experts believe this will trigger a landmark Supreme Court case to decide if the government can use the Defense Production Act to force a private company to strip away its own ethical code. Meanwhile, the transition to xAI is already underway, with Grok being trained on over 2 decades of combat-proven operational data held within the Pentagon's archives. Critics warn that deploying an unfiltered model in life or death scenarios could lead to unpredictable escalations or biased targeting that violates international law. As of tonight, the digital Iron Curtain has fallen between the labs that prioritize safety and a government that demands total algorithmic utility for the front lines. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.